And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Well, let's check in with KTK meteorologist John Adams. John, it was pretty hot out there early in this morning when we were out there breaking down those kennels. So is it going to be hot today? Are we going to get any rain or anything like that?
It's mainly going to be hot. That's what we'd have to deal with. We have a heat advisory that's in effect, and I'll show you that in just a moment. But certainly looks pretty if you're not out in the heat today. We've got some scattered clouds across the blue skies of East Texas. And right now it's 86 degrees in Tyler. We have a south wind at 15 miles per hour, and that relative humidity reading 67%. Of course, summer begins later on tonight, and we go into summer with a surplus of rainfall, 30 inches so far in Tyler, nearly 9 inches above normal year to date. Longview, almost 27 inches of rain and about 3 2/3 of an inch above normal the year to date. And Lufkin approaching 33 inches of rain with nearly 9 inches above the average year to date at this point. Our temperatures right now, we're in the 80s, but we're not stopping there. We'll be warming on up, and of course we've got plenty of humidity with those dew points into the 70s, and we're talking more upper 70s than anything else at this point. Right now the heat index is normal. It's not an advisory criteria, but we do see some of that feeling like it's 90 plus here in East Texas, and we'll start to see more and more of those triple-digit temperatures this afternoon, especially when we reach those forecast highs, which are in the low to mid 90s across the area. So we do have a heat advisory. This covers the eastern half of East Texas, our eastern counties there, and there is a potential that you could see the heat index get up to 105 to 109 degrees. So in coping with the heat, make sure you drink plenty of the proper type of fluids, a lot of water, and of course sports drinks are probably good too. Stay in a cool place as much as possible. But if you must be out in the sunshine, try to stay out of it, but take frequent breaks if you can during the afternoons, especially when we're the hottest, and we will also be needing to get in those shady places. And remember that the heat index is measured in the shade, so if you're out in the sun, it could feel another 10-15 degrees hotter than what the heat index shows. Be sure you check on relatives and neighbors too to make sure they've got what they need to cope with that heat. Here's Futurecast. It's going to show not much in the way of rain. Deep East Texas might see a few spotty showers and maybe an isolated storm or two during the afternoon, but it's not going to progress northward anywhere close to I-20, it appears, at least according to the model, as we go through the afternoon. Next 7 days, normal high temperature runs around 91 degrees. We expect to be at least that warm, if not warmer, during the afternoon for those highs, and that will continue right on into and through much of next week. Today, expect a high around 93 with a low tonight of 76 and 92 on Saturday. Mostly sunny skies will dominate the area as well. Over the next 7 days, chances of rain are going to be minimal, just 20% for the northern part of East Texas starting on Monday of next week. Those temperatures continue to be very warm. Deep East Texas, just a slight chance that we saw on the model there that you could see a shower or thunderstorm this afternoon. A little better chance for you, but still only 30% for you next week. Check that forecast anytime at KETK.com.
Thank you, John.